ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवमपाये अपादानम्
वीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजे सरोढः
पराजेरसोढः
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
वारणार्थानां ईप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति स सम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति सम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघण्णुस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः
श्लाघ्यमानः
श्लाघन्नुस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः धारेरुत्तमर्नः स्पृहेरीप्सितः क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रति कोपः क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म राधीक्षोर्यस्य विप्रश्नः प्रत्याङ्व्यां शुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं करणं
दिवःकर्म च
दिवकर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म
अधिशीलासां कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्बध्यां वसः
उपान्बध्यां वसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मक धातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्यो द्वाच कर्म इति वाच्यम्
अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे देशो कालो भावो गन्तव्यो द्वाच कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ कर्मा कर्मकाणाम् अनिकर्तासनौ
गतिबुद्धि प्रत्यवसानात् शब्दकर्माकर्मणामनिकर्तासनौ
कृक्रोरण्यतरस्याम् अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने पदे वेति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशो आत्मने पदे वेति वाक्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
गतवर्गे किं दृष्टवान् यदा तिङ् प्रत्ययः कर्तारं बोधयति तदा कर्तृकर्मणयोस्तृतीया इति सूत्रेण कर्तृकारस्य तृतीया विभक्तिः न भवति प्रातिपदिकार्थे प्रथमा विभक्तिः एव तद्वत् यदा तिङ् प्रत्ययः कृत् प्रत्ययः कोऽपि भवतु कर्म बोधयति तदा अनभिहिते कर्मणि द्वितीया इति सूत्रेण कर्मकारस्य द्वितीया विभक्तिः न भवति किन्तु प्रातिपदिकार्थे प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति इति दृष्टवन्तः स्पष्टमेव इति चिन्तयामि स्पष्टं वा यस्
Yes, जी
by तिङ् प्रत्यय so तिङ् समानाधिकरण्यं तिङ् denotes कर्ता कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्मणि प्रयोगे तिङ् denotes karma. Then again we don't have to apply karta karmani tritiya vibhakti. Then there is a virodha. Then depredeshye param karyam. So pratipadikarte pratama. So pratama vibhakti bhavati. That is the thing. Now next point. And iti यदा इति शब्दस्य प्रयोगः भवति तदा इति शब्दस्य प्रयोगे प्रथमा. This also is covered in our I think table. I think I have added this before. यदा इति शब्दः प्रयुज्यते इति शब्द प्रयोगे प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति. It must be there in the table. I saw once. Is there? Yeah. So that also is there. Okay. Next point. Kartrikarakam. Kartrikaraka defined by Kena Sutrena Kartrikarakam Uchyate. Kim Kartrikarakam iti Swatantraha Karta. That is one. Then we have Tat Prayojako Hetuscha. This is Karaka Sutrani. Already Karaka has been covered. Now we are seeing Vibhakti Prakaranam. So Karaka Vibhakti Sambandha. Karaka is 1/4. what we just chanted. Swatantraha karta tad prayojako hetuscha prayojaka karta. Causative agent is called by the name hetu. Hetu is a technical name. The cause. That's why we say causative agent. Hetuhu, hetuman, hetumati cha, which sutram is also is there. Now we are seeing vibhakti artha. So vibhakti and karaka are connected. Vibhakti, what vibhakti is assigned to karaka? That is said. Karaka, karta, karaka, karma, ityadi. Ka vibhakti hi bhavati. That is in 2-3 section. So that's what he says here. Kartar karakam. Kartuhu pratama vibhakti hi bhavati. Na kartrate apitu pratipadikarte. प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम व्यक्तिश्च प्रातिपदिकार्थः प्रातिपदिका प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम व्यक्ति the usage of the word as pravritti nimittam, there is a nimittam, this already we saw. Yatra gatattam asti iti karanena gataha iti shabdaha. Gatattam is nimitta. Pate gatattam nasti. Therefore, there is no pravritti nimitta for using the word gata for pata. Pate patattam asti. So that is called pravritti nimitta. In samasa context also we saw what is pravritti nimittam. Pravritti nimittam vyakti pratipadikaartah. Pratipadikaartha linga parimana vachana matre pratama vyakti bhavati. Sutram is a 2-3-46. So therefore kartuhu pratama vibhakti bhavati pratipadikaarthe. प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम व्यक्तिश्च प्रातिपदिकार्थः. अभी प्रातिपदिकार्थः with प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम व्यक्ति ही. व्यक्ति means an individual, a separate thing. व्यक्ति ही. So प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम व्यक्ति ही, that is the meaning of the pratipadika. So pratipadika can be the meaning of the pratipadika and linga matreva, parimana matreva, vachana matreva. So about the word can convey the meaning of the pratipadikam and the linga. What linga is? Ramaha, when we say it is pratipadika is vyakti. Rama is there, there's a person Rama. So therefore we use the word Rama and it is got a linga, pullinga, and also vachanam, singular. There is no parimanam there. Measurement will come in the case of something you weigh, you measure. There it is parimana. Like a dronaha, vrihi, the rice, the paddy is measured. So that is measurement. So the meaning of the very word is what is conveyed by the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is, we know, arthavata adhatu pratyaya pratipadikam kritadita samasascha. Kritadita samasascha. Arthavat pratipadikam. Pratipadika arthaha. So a pratipadika, the meaning of what it is, or it can convey gender, or it's a measurement, or number, whatever it is, number. So pratipadika tells that a thing is there. And of course, it must have gender. Measurement depends on if that is measurable in terms of size or in terms of quantity, etc. That is also. And of course, then number, then then we have vachanam. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam iti. So Kashikakara says, Pratipadika sattha. The existence of a thing is what is conveyed by the Pratipadika. That is the meaning of the Pratipadika. And that must have a linga. And if it is a parimana, it has parimana. And it is vachanam, can be ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam. The matra shabda is connected to pratyekam abhisambhadyate. Pratipadika linga matre, pratipadika parimana matre, pratipadika pachana matre, pratama vibhakti ki bhavati. So, pratama vibhakti ki bhavati. Linga, for example, again Kashikakara says, Kumari, the word is there. Kumari, we cannot use the word Kumari for denoting a boy. So Artha is there. So the pravritti nimitta should be that person, that is, she is a woman, she is a girl, young girl, Kumari, that must be there. Then only pravritti nimitta should be there. Then only the vyaktihi, that person, to convey the meaning of the, then only the word Kumari will convey the meaning of what it means. And Kumari is Srilinga, therefore Kumari. And Balaha or Kumaraha if you use. Kumaraha tells you the Linga, it is Pullinga. Kumari is Srilinga. Patram, Napumsakalinga. So Linga also conveys. Gender also is conveyed by Pratipadika. Similarly, Vachanam also, Kumari, Ekavachanam, Kumariyaha Bhagavachanam, Vrikshaha Bhagavachanam, Mitrani Bhagavachanam, Napumsakalinga. Mitram, Napumsakalinga. Mitra, the word, conveys the Linga also. Therefore, so all these are conveyed by the Pratipadika. It's called Pratipadika, the sense of Pratipadikam. And that will be Pratama Vibhakti. The meaning of the word is what is conveyed by the Pratama Vibhakti. And it will convey what Linga, the measurement, and the number. This is what the Sutra says. Pratipadika Linga Parimana Vachalamatre Pratama Vibhakti. The Matra Shabda, you have to connect with every word. Pratipadika Linga, the Parimana, the Matra should be connected. Pratipadika Matra, in just conveying only the meaning of the word Pratipadika, or in Linga Matre, or Parimana Matre, Vachana Matre. So the meaning of the Pratipadika, only in conveying the meaning of the Pratipadika, there need not be Linga, like Avyayam. There are Avyayams. Convey the meaning of the word, meaning of the Pratipadikam alone. And then words which convey the Linga also. Rama iti, we define Rama, Akarantaha, Pullingaha. Meaning of that is Linga is conveyed. Similarly, Parimana is measurement. Measurement could be anything. It could be the dimensions, weight or height or whatever it is. Vachanam, number. Number also is conveyed. So it is conveyed by what? Pratama Vibhakti. Ramaha Ramu Ramaha. Ramaha Ekavachanam. Ramaha Pullinga. That is conveyed. And Pratipadika, that referring to the person Rama. So therefore, Kartuhu Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati na Kartararthe apitu Pratipadika. In denoting the meaning of the word, or in the sense of the very meaning of the Pratipadika, the Pratama Vibhakti is used. In denoting, I don't want to use in denoting. Denoting means Abhigita, the word will come. So let us not confuse with the word, because Anabhigita is there. So in the sense of the very Pratipadika, Pratama Vibhakti is used. That's a thing. Kartuh Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati Pratipadikarte. न कर्तृत्वे न कर्तरी अर्थे. Kartari artha means kartari in the sense of the karta. No, that the subject. So because the kartari arthe karta is denoted by the, I mean, that subject is denoted by the pratyaya, ting pratyaya or krit pratyaya. So in denoting the pratipadika, only pratama vibhakti is used. Of course, anabhigite is there, anuvritti is there. So therefore, anabhigite, the word is there as Adhikara Sutra. It goes up to the last sutra of this section, 2-3 section. So anabhigite means not denoting. So karta is not denoted. Therefore, na kartarate. In denoting just the meaning of the word pratipadika, pratama vibhakti is used. So this is what we saw. In just denoting what the pratipadikam, the meaning of the pratipadikam, pratama vibhakti is used. Kartakarnayos tritiya, by that karta, it takes tritiya vibhakti. Now, kartakarnayos tritiya is when karta and karma, karna. Karta and karma, when it is anabhigita, adhikara, under adhikara, that is sutram is there. Therefore, when karta and karna are anabhigita, then we, tritiya vibhakti is used. That is the next sutra. Anabhigite kartari tritiya, kartarkarnayos tritiya. That's what we say in karmani prayoga. In karmani, why karmani prayoga? Because the ting pratyaya or krit pratyaya, that lakarartha, by that, what is denoted, what is, in what arthe that pratyayas are used. Ramaha khadati, what arthe is khadati is used. Katrate. Similarly, kaditavan, krit pratyaya. So karta arthe, ting pratyaya or krit pratyaya used. Kartarate, prayujate. Therefore, only kartar karmanis tritiya, by that sutra, tritiya vibhakti will not come. Pratipadikarte pratama vibhakti. That is what we saw. Ting pratyaya or krit pratyaya, Ramaha kadati atava Ramaha kaditavan, by that pratyaya is this pratyaya, and they have sambandha. They are in samanadhikaranyam with the subject of the sentence. They are in samanadhyam with the subject of the sentence. So therefore, in denoting the meaning of the subject, pratipadikarte, therefore, pratama vibhakti is used. If it is karta, pratama vibhakti is used. If it is karma, pratama vibhakti is used. That is kartari pariyoga, karmani pariyoga, respectively. By the sutra, pratipadikarte pratama. There we cannot apply karta karmaniyos tritiya or anabhigite karmani dvitiya. In kartari and karmani pariyoga, respectively, we cannot use pratipadikarte pratama. That is what the first point. Second point, when anabhigite kartari tritiya, when they use, when karta is not denoted, then karta will take tritiya vibhakti. Not only karta, karna. But here kartrikarakam is discussed, therefore karta alone it takes. So what all the vibhaktis, if karta, the subject, an agent can take, that is given. Another one is shashti, kridyoge shashti, that we saw. When kridyoge shashti, kartrikarmanoho, Sutram under in the Anabhigita, in the 2-3 section, we saw the samasa, Shashti Shesha under this Adhikara, Kartar Karmanoho Kriti. This is a sutra, 65, 2-3-65. Kartar Karmanoho Kriti. Krit Yoge Shashti. This is what? Krit Yoge Shashti. Ubhay Prapto Karmani. It's what we say, Karmani Shashti, Kartari Shashti. Karta can take Shashti Vibhakti or Karma can take Shashti Vibhakti in association with a Kridanta word. That's called Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. When two are used, then Karma will take Shashti. This also we saw under compounds, Samasa. You will see later. So these are the three types, three Vibhaktis Karta can take. So Pratama Vibhakti in Kartari Prayoga, we say, Tritiya Vibhakti in Karmani Prayoga, and Kridyoge Shashti. This is Kridyoge in association with Kridanta. So Pratama Vibhakti is Pratipadikarte Pratama. Or we can say loosely, when anything is Abhigita, that is Pratama Vibhakti. That can be anything, not only Karta. It could be Karta, Karma, Karana, anything. Pratipadikarte Pratama, for that, at least Sutram is there. Abhigite, there is no Sutram. We say loosely, Abhigite. When anything is Abhigita, that is Pratama Vibhakti. So we can say Pratipadikarte is equal to Abhigite. If karma is when karma is Abhigitam, the meaning of the karma, the word is what is the meaning of the karma, the object is what is conveyed by the word, conveyed by the Pratama Vibhakti. So Abhigite. So when anything is Abhigita, that will be Pratama. So we can say Pratipadikarte Pratama is equal to Abhigite. Abhigite Pratama. Then if it is Anabhigita, there only comes Tritiya, Karma when it is Anabhigita, Dvitiya, Karta when it's Anabhigita, Tritiya, Sampradana, Chaturthi, etc. When Sampradana is Abhigita, that will be Pratama. How Sampradana will get Pratama? Pratipadikarte Pratama. Pratipadikarte Linga Parimana Vachana Matre Pratama. Otherwise, how Sampradana will take Pratama? How Sampradana will take Pratama is possible. Why not? Karana also can take Pratama. Why not? Stali Pachati, example we saw. Stali Pachati. Cooker cooks. Cooker doesn't cook. Cooker is a means, but the Stali, which is Karana, is used in Pratama Vibhakti. Can be said. Ramaha Stalya Odanam Pachati. That Stalya is Karanakaraka. But Stali Pachati, we can say that Karana is put in Pratama Vibhakti. Pratipadikarte Pratama. The Karana is in Pratama Vibhakti. How Karana could be Pratama? When the meaning of the word is what is conveyed, then it has to be put in very Pratama Vibhakti only. Pratipadikarte Pratama. 2-3-46. Pratipadikarte Linga Parimana Vachana Matre Pratama. When it is Anabhigita, Karana is Anabhigita, like Ramaha, Odanam, Stalya Pachati, then it has to be Karta Karanayos Tritiya. By that Tritiya Vibhakti, Karana will take Tritiya. So anything which is Anabhigita or Anukta, which will take the respective Vibhaktis. When it is Abhigita, it has to take only Pratama. That is what Pratipadikarte Pratama. So therefore, it's not only Kartrikarakam Pratama Vibhakti, Karmakarakam Pratama also can take Pratama Vibhakti in Karmani Prayoga. Other Karakas also can take Pratama. That context depends on the context. But generally, they don't say that. But we can understand. Stali Pachati, for example. Similarly, Sampradhanam also. Sampradhana, Adhikarana, etc. That Adhikarana, that the meaning is there. That is put in Pratama Vibhakti. Possible. If it is anything is Ukte, then Pratama. Anukte, respective Vibhaktis. And for Kartakaraka, he says now, Karta will take Pratama Vibhakti. Why I say this? Because any Karaka can take Pratama. That is the idea. The Karta can take Pratama Vibhakti by 2, 3, 46, number 1. And Tritiya Vibhakti, when it is Anavigita, by 2, 3, 18, Karta Krana is Tritiya. And Shashti Vibhakti by Krid Yoga Shashti. That is something special for Karta and Kartru and Karma. Kridantanam Yoge, in association with Kridanta Shabda, Anabhigite, of course, Anabhigite Adhigara is there. Then Kartari Karmani cha Shashti Vibhakti ke bhavati. By Karta Karmanoho Kriti iti sutrena. Na sarvesham Kridantanam prayoge apitu, then he is saying, apitu bhavadigari vidyamana ye krit pratyaha kartartakau ye nul trich pratyayau. So, not all the Kridantanam prayoge apitu, not with all Kridanta Krit words, but bhavadigari vidyamanaha ye krit pratyaha gai etc. Gai etc. Then kartartakau yau nul trich etc. Example. Why he says is, or not all Krit Pratyayas. If Shatra Pratyaya is there, Pashyan, Shrinvan, Prasan, Jigran, Ashtan, Gachan, Sapan, Shwasan, Pralapan, Visrajan, Grindan, Mission, Nimishan, Napi, Indriya, that all are in Pratama Vibhakti. I'm sorry, Kridanta. Karta also in the shloka is Pratama Vibhakti only. Ramaha Pashyan Gacchati. Not Ramasya Pashyan Gacchati. Pashyan is Kridanta, Shatra. Then Rama will become Ramasya. No. Pashyan Ramaha Gacchati. Pustakam Patan Ramaha Gayati. Pustakam Patan Ramaha Gayati. Not Ramasya. Kridyoge Shashti. Therefore, Patan is there. Kridanta. Therefore, Rama will take Shashti Bhakti. No. That is what he says. Not with all Kridantas. Shatra Shana Chandal, it will not happen. Only for certain. That is understood. Okay. But anyway, he says explicitly here. Nul Pratyaya, that is Aka, Trich Pratyaya. Then Bhavadi Adhikara, that is Bhave Cha, Akarmani Chakara Ke Sanyayam, Bhave, one Adhikara is there in 3 section. We will see that in Underkrit Pratyayas. Later, there we have Ghai, etc. So only these two is, these two. That's what he says. With this Krit, in association with this Krit Pratyayas, see, Twa is also Krit Pratyaya. Twa, then Ramasya Kaditva, we cannot say. So, other pratyas are also, many pratyas are there. So, we cannot say. Then, Ta pratyaya also. Then, Ta pratyaya for the next sutra is there. If you see that, 2, 3. Thasicha Vartamane. In the sense, Ta pratyaya in the sense of Vartamana, that will be Shashti. Okay, that is Ta pratyaya. So, Ramaha Kaditavan, for example, another Tavatu pratyaya. Not Ramasya Kaditavan. Kridyoge Shashti, then Rama will not take Shashti Bhakti. It's meaningless then. Similarly, Ramaha Gataha, Ta pratyaya. Not Ramasya Gataha. Cannot make like that. That is why he says, not with all Krit Pratyas, but in the under the section Bhava, Bhavecha, which is in 3 section. The Krit Pratyas we need to see. Bhave Arte, like we have many Pratyas, Lyut, etc., Lyut, Gai, so many Pratyas are there, under which, depending on the Dhatu, the Pratyas to be added. Akartari Chakara Ke Sanyayam, Bhavecha, that's Radhikara, under which there are many sutras. Even some Srilinga Pratyaya also are there. Bhave, Tin, etc. This is 1. 3, 3, 18. Bhave. Bhavartha Adhikare. Ye Pratyaha Vartante. Then Trich and Nul. kartarattakau null. In giving the meaning of the very karta, null pratyaya, trich pratyas are added to the pratipadikam. That is kartarattakau null trichau. When association with these pratyas, then karta will take shashti bhakti. Example: Kedantanam yogi anabhigite kartari karmani cha shashti bhavati tadyata krishnasya kritihi. Tin pratyaya. Striyam tin. Kritihi is Srilinga. Krishnasya kritihi. Composition of Krishna. Balakasya patanam lyut pratyaya. Bhave lyut, all these are. Under bhave adhikara, all this tin pratyaya, that is three pratyaya, lyut pratyaya. Bhaktasya namanam, namaskara, salutation of the bhakta. Bhakta is one who salutes. Bhaktasya namanam is bhaktaha namati. Balakasya patanam is balakaha patati. But patati is not used. But here krit is used. Therefore balakasya patanam, kartari shashti. Bhaktasya namanam, kartari shashti. Chatrasya jigyasa, sananta, that also comes under bhave. Jigyasa, sananta. Chatrasya jigyasa, enquiry or desire of the chatram. Krishnasya kriti, all these are kartari shashti. Upadhyayah, shlokasya patakaha. Upadhyaya karta. Patakaha is there. But what is the karma here? Upadhyayah shlokam patati. You can say. Patakaha, the doer of reading action is Upadhyaya. What does he read? Shloka. Shloka is a karma. Shlokasya. Now both are there. Karta also is there, karma also is there. Karta is Upadhyaya. Karma is Shloka. In association with Kridanta, then by the sutra, Ubaya Prapto Karmani, into three section. After this Kartar Karmanos Kriti, next sutra is Ubaya Prapto. When both are there, then karma will take Shashti Bhakti, not Karta. By that sutra, Ubaya Prapto Karmani, karma will take Shashti. Ubaya Prapto Karmani Shashti Bhavati. It's called Karmani Shashti. Or in Mundaka Upanishad, Vishwasya Karta Bhuvanasya Gopta, famous example. Vishwasya Karta. Karta is Trich Pratyaya. Vishwasya Karma. Vishwa he created. Bhuvanasya Gopta, protector of the Bhuvana. Bhuvana is protected. That is karma. Bhuvanasya Gopta. The Gopta is Kridanta. Protects. What does he protect? Bhavana. So Bhavana will take Shashti. Bhavanasya Gopta Karmani Shashti. Similarly, Harishaha Girgasya Nirmata Nir Purvaka Madatu. Ma to measure, but with the Nir Upasarga it means to create, to construct. Trich Pratyaya. So Harisha is the Karta. Griha is what is created, object. So therefore Karmanaha Shakti, Karmani Shashti. Bhagavan Jagataha Karta, same. Bhuvanasya Karta, Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta. Jagataha Karta, Jagat is the object. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Then Shashti Bhakti, Jagataha. Adyeshu Chaturshu Udaharaneshu, in these first four example. Bhave Krit Pratyaha Vartante, in the sense of Bhava. Just denoting the Kriya action. Krit pratyas are used. Kritihi, patanam. Just patana kriya alone is what is denoted. Chismala jigyasa, etc. Therefore, karta here, since bhave is denoted, therefore karta is not abhigitaha. Anabhigite kartari. Anabhigita adhigara is there. Therefore, kartar karmana, kriti. By that sutra, kartari shashti bhaktihi. Then the other three examples. Tataha trishu udaharneshu kartari krit pratyaha vartante. Krit pratyaya used in kartari arte. Kartari prayoga. How do you say? Upadhyayaha patakaha. Harishaha nirmata. Samanadhikaranam is between krit and the karta. That's what it says. Kartari krit pratyaha vartante. Bhagavan karta. Ataha karta is abhigitaha. What about karma? Karma is not abhigita, anabhigita. Therefore, anabhigite karmani shashti bhakti ke bhavati. Teshu kartuhu abhigitatvat. Karta is abhigitatvat, therefore karta will take pratama. Natu kartu karmanyos tritiya, by that tritiya vyakti will not come. Krit pratyayana vishe vistarena kridanta prakrani jnayate. This much is enough. Krit pratyaya we will see, he says. We will see also more than what he says later. Eteshu udaharaneshu kartuhu anabhigitatvam कर्मणः अनभिगितत्वं वा वर्तते नौ यदि एकस्मिन् वाक्ये कर्ता कर्म उभयमपि अनभिगितं तर्हि कस्य षष्ठी विभक्तिः भवति उभयप्राप्तौ कर्मणि by that we saw the examples in the context of samasa, the stock examples from the Kashika. Now you give simple example. This is enough. Upadhyayah shlokasya karta, whatever, that is simple. Ubayoho anabhigitatve, when karta and karma, ubay means karta karmanoho anabhigitatve, kartahu vikalpena shashti, karmanaha nityam shashti bhavati, ubaya karmani. Kintu striyam iti adhikare patitaha, yaha apratyaya tadanta prayoge kartuhu shashti bhakti bhavati. But apratyaya is there in under bhave, under striyam, stri adhikara. Like the word icha, there are many words. A is a pratyaya. You get for example, icha is one. Icha is a one word. Icha, after that, the word, the pratyaya a is there. The pratyaya itself is a. So, a pratyaya, one sutram is there. So you get adding that to the dhatu, you get akaranta, then convert into Srilinga by adding ta pratyaya. In fact, we have seen some like jigyasa, the word itself you take. How do you get the word jigyasa? From the dhatu, nya dhatu, right? From nya dhatu you get
Top has to
jigyasa.
be.
Top has to be. That's what we do. We do. That's what is apratyaya. Like for example, nya dhatu. What is the sananta rupam of nya dhatu? Adding that we get nya. I think all those things we know. Not required here. So we get jigyasa. This is a jigyasa. Then apratyayat, because trilinge we need aprat, and then a you add. Then so this is Kritadita Samasascha Pratipadikam. Then we are converting this into by Striyam Tin should add the apratyaya. So Jigyasa plus a plus a what Sandhi?
7.
It cannot become, right? How will it become Savarna? This is not a what? Jigyasa you get. Then apratyayat by that sutra, adding a plus a is a Savana Dirgha Sandhi. This is the anga. This is a pratyaya. What we get? Anga ending with akara, apadanta, and followed by a guna letter. Right? Ato gune, jigyasa. Then Strilinga, again we have to add Vivakt Strilinga Vikshayam, Ta pratyaya, therefore we get jigyasa. Jigyasa is Strilinga. Atato Brahma Jigyasa, Jigyasa, Chikitsa, whatever the word. Apratyayat, you get a Strilinga. Now this is, then we need to add after that Ta pratyaya. Then only it becomes Jigyasa for one section. You can check this website also. Apratyaya. Okay, now see the Sutra Pata, then we will see the website. That's in 3.3 section. That is not the discussion here, but anyway, this is aside discussion. Under Striyam Adhikare, which is there in which is we are talking about krit under kridanta. Striyam is there in foreign also. That is not here. We are saying striyam tin pratyaya. This is one pratyaya. Like kritihi, gatihi, nitihi, matihi, buddhihi. All those words are derived with tin by adding tin. Then here bhave is there, and all the other pratyas. Then we have icha. Icha is reading a word. It's nipata. It's not given how the word is derived, but we can say that the icha here said. So for ishdhatu to get nipata. Then apratyat. This is a sutra 102 33102. Apratyat. What is apratyat? Please see the sutram. Apratyat. Pratyantebhyaha dhatubhyaha. Striyam. Akaraha pratyate. Akaraha pratyantebhyaha dhatubhyaha. So jigyasa is pratyanta dhatu. Dhatu apratyat. A word ending with a pratyaya. I mean dhatu. Dhatu ending with a, because under dhatu adhikara only this is there. Not a word. Word is not a right word. Dhatu ending with a pratyaya. Not ting pratyaya. It can't be. After padam, how can we add? So that means it's not a padam. I mean, therefore, any pratyaya, dhatu ending with the pratyaya, to which striyam, in the sense striyam vivakshayam, a pratyaya is added. He has given the example also. Chikirsha, Jikisha, also Nanta. And also here, Kamyach, Namadhatu. Putriya also, Namadhatu. Loluya, Kanduya. These are Kanduya, Kandwadi Prakarana. There we have Kanduya. Sanadyantaha Dhataha. By that Kanduya, Kandwadikana. There are some dhatus in the Kandwadi. First dhatu is Kandu. Kandu plus Kandwadibhyaha. Yak. One sutram is there. So Yak Pratyaya, it will take Kanduya. You get a Pratyanta dhatu to which you add Akara. Is a Pratyaya. Then you have Chikirsha, Jihisha, Kanduya. Then after that, top pratyaya is added, becomes Chikirsha, Jihisha, like that. So pratyantebhyaha dhatubhyaha apratyaha vidiyate striyam. Then we need to add top pratyaya. So now, coming back here, the example, he says, where is that? Yeah. किंतु स्त्रियां तिनिति अधिकारे पठितः यः प्रत्ययः तदन्तस्य प्रयोगे तु कर्तुः षष्ठी नित्या भवति. 24 footnote you see. Anyway, this apratyah, just I was explaining that. Now, ubaya anabhigitatve, ubayoho anabhigitatve, kartuh vikal, when both are not anabhigita, not denoted, kartuh vikalpena shashti by 23, sheshe vibhashava, vartikam, and ubaya prapto karmani, that is 2366. Siddhanta Kaumudi says Sutra Sankhya. Okay. So, ubayoho anabhigitatve, kartuh vikalpena shashti by that vartikam, karmanaha nityam shashti bhavati by ubaya prapto karmani. Then striyam niti adhikare patitaha yaha pratyah tadantasya prayoge kartuhu shashti always by again vartika. Kakarayoho na ayam niyamaha stri pratyaha ubaya prapto karmani ityatra. Stri pratyayoho akakarayoho na ayam niyamaha. The vartikam is that. So therefore, kartuhu shashti vakti avashyam bhavati eva. And we will, that's vartikam that we are not interested in that. Just he says, just note. When this pratyaya is used, then kartuhu shashti vakti nitya eva. Like an example. Krishnena or Krishnasya jagataha kritihi. Jagat is karma. Karta is Krishna. Now, Krishna, the pratipadikam is there. Jagat, the pratipadikam is there. Now, what vivakti you will assign to Jagat? Karma, Karmakaraka, Krishna, Kartakaraka, Krit Yoge, Ubaya Prapto, कर्मणि उभय प्राप्तो कर्मणि. Therefore, Jagatah is Shashti Vibhakti. Jagatah Kritiki. Now, what about Karta? Kartuhu, when it is Anabhigita, Vikalpena Shashti. Therefore, Krishnasya Jagatah. Otherwise, Kartar Karmani Tritiya, because Karta is not Abhigita. Therefore, Krishnena Jagatah Kritihi. Both are valid. So, Karma taking Shashti Vibhakti is a must. Ubhaya Prapta Karmani. Karta taking Shashti is when both are not abhigita, when both are anabhigita, then karta taking shashti is optional. Karma taking shashti is a must. Ubhaya prapta karmani. Karta taking shashti is optional. If karta doesn't take shashti, it will take what? Karta karmani was tritiya vakti. Therefore, Krishnena jagatah kritihi or Krishna se jagatah kriti, both are valid. Similarly, another example. Pustaka karma balaka karta. Pustaka karma in association with Yakradanta word patanam, lute, bave lute. Therefore, pustakasya patanam ubhaya prapto karmani by that sutra. What about karta? Karta can ubhaya prapto, ubhayaho anabhigitatve. Then karta can take optionally shashti. It means karta karaniyo tritiya also possible. Therefore, balakena pustakasya patanam. Similarly, bhaktena bhaktasya devasya namanam. Chatrasya shlokasya jignasa. Jignasa is apratya. So apratya se prayoge kartuhu shashti bhavati eva. Here also we have karta chatra shloka karma. Why don't we apply ubhaya prapto karmani? Then say shlokasya karta, shlokasya jignasa. Then chatrasya or chatrena. No, that is not allowed. That's why he says when apratyaya is apratyasya, apratyaha, apratyaya प्रत्ययांतस्य प्रयोगे प्रत्ययांत शब्दस्य प्रयोगे कर्तुः षष्ठी भवति षष्ठी भक्ति भवति एव. No choice. Chatrena shlokasya jignasa is wrong. You cannot apply kartarkaraniyo tritiya. You have to say chatrasya shlokasya jignasa. Similarly, pipatisha, patitum icha pipatisha. Pipatisha plus a plus top. So apratyaya is there, apratyanta. Karma is Gita, Karta is Mahesha. Therefore, Karmanaha Shashti Bhakti by Ubhaya Prapto Karmani Shashti. Karma will take Shashti. What about Mahesha? Because Apratyaya is there is no Vikalpa here. Kartugu Shashti Bhavati Eva Nitya. Eteshu Udaharneshu Bhave Pratyaha Vartate. Yes, all these are in Bhave. Ataha Bhavaha is that is Kriya. Action alone is Abhigitaha. Therefore, Karta and Karma Anabhigita. Karta karma cha anabhigitam bhavati. Ubhayoho anabhigitatvat. Therefore, Adye udaharana three, in the first three example, Karta will take Shashti Bhakti optionally. Antime udaharana dvaye, apratyasya prayogat kartugo nityam Shashti bhavati. Of course, karma will take Shashti. Karta, there is no choice, will take Shashti Bhakti mandatorily. Okay.
This Jignasa and Pipadisha both are Sananta. So only in Sananta this Nityam will be there.
No, not like that. What about Namadhatu? In the Kashika, they give the example of Putriya, Putrakamya, in fact, Kanduya. Is it Tananta?
Okay.
No. That apratyaya is Kanduya, for example. Kanduadigana, we add Yakpratyaya, Kanduya, you get. After that, Sriyam, we add apratyaya, then you get Kanduya. Similarly, Putriya is Namadhatu, right? Namadhatu, Kech Pratyaya, we add. Kech content is Ya. Then after that, apratyaya, you add Putriya. Namadhatu also is there. Therefore, we cannot reduce that only to Sananta. Sananta is example he has given.
Okay.
Namadhatu, in fact, we have seen Kamyach, right? Upamanadachare, right? All those Kechicha, Kech Pratyaya. Kech, Kesh, even Nich also, right?
Okay.
All those things. So Sananta example he has given here.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is okay. If you say Sananta, now Jigyasa you get, right? Jigyasa, the example. Jnadatu plus san Jigyasa. Jigyasa. But I'm not interested in Bhave. See, Jigyasa is Bhava Artha, right? Jnatum Ichha. Only that Bhava, that action is what is conveyed by the word Jigyasa. Now, here, after doing Sananta, now I'm converting this into a karta. I'm adding u, for example. Then what do you get? Ato
Yeah.
lopaha
Suhu.
will happen, you will Jigyasu. Here we don't have a pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
Then here we cannot use.
Though it is Sananta, we can.
Yes, because a pratyaya not there. That is what the Vartika says. Apratyayat tatuhu shashti nitya bhavati. Apratyayanta shabdat. Right?
Okay.
So here we cannot use Jigyasu. Jigyasu is the one who has got Jigyasa. So that's why pratyantasya prayoga is important. Okay, next one. Kritya. Kritya, do you remember? The 7 pratyas. Yat,
Yes.
Nyat, Kep, right? That Kelimar, Tavya, Tavyat, Aniyar. So Kritya denotes karmani, right? Kritya is used, Presha, Atisarga, Praptakaleshu, Yogyarte, Argharte, Avashyakarte and all. Kritya, in the sense of ling pratyaya, ling lakara, it is used. Krit pratyayanam prayoge kartuhu va. So there's a sutra, Krityanam kartariva, again 2371. In 23 section, Kritya also Krit alone. But Kartar karmana kriti ubaya prapta karmani, then with Kritya pratyas, which is also Krit, then there is given an optional. Krityanam kartari va. Krityanam Kritya pratyantanam yoge kartari va. Karta will be optionally, it will take. Kritya pratyaha krit pratyeshu eva antarbhavati. Yeah, he says Kritya are under Krit only. You remember Kritya, what is the number? Krityaha 3194, I think. 3191 dhatoho. Then Kridating tatra saptami upapadam. Then
3195.
Vasarupa nastyam. Then Krityaha is 3195 or 94?
55.
Yes.
3195.
So Krityaha section is there. It is up to Nul Truchav, right? Prang Nulaha within bracket will be there. Okay. So Krityaha also under Krit alone. Kritya pratyayanam yoge mean association. Okay. Kartari shashti vasyat. Kartari will take optionally shashti vibhakti. Otherwise, what vibhakti it will
Tritiya.
take? Tritiya. Kartakarma is Tritiya. Anabhigitatvat. Tadyata, like for example, Karaniyam, what pratyaya is that? Krit pratyaya. Kritya pratyaya. Aniyar. Kru plus Aniyar Karaniya. Lokagitam Maya Karaniyam by Kartar Karanaya Tritiya. Mama Karaniyam is by Krityanam Kartariva. Similarly, Mama Pataniyam or Maya Pataniyam, both are correct. Mama Pataniyam by Krityanam Kartariva. Maya Pataniyam Kartar Karanaya Tritiya. Lataya or Latayaha Prashnaha Prashtavyaha. What pratyaya? Tavya. Right? Similarly, Sevyaha. Sevyaha, what pratyaya? Yat. Sev dhatu. Sevate, sevete, atmanipadi. Rhaloho. Araloha nyat, in fact, nyat pratyaya. Okay, not yat, nyat. Bhaktena Bhaktasya Devahasya. I think we have seen Krityaha in the before, right? We have seen long back.
Yes,
We have seen.
this
I have the
in
notes
the
with me. I
book
think
only.
must be having the notes. Huh? We have seen.
Ashtadhyayi Pravesha book only we learned that Pratyas.
But Kritya we have seen before.
Yeah, before Parvati.
Not Krityaha. In fact, one file is there. I have with me. I think was also having. We have seen with Sutra, without Sutra, Sutra Sagitam, Sutra. 1 minute, I will show you. We have seen Krityaha. What is that? Yeah. Please see Sutra Ragitam, Sutra Sagitam, 2 files are there. Sutra Ragitam, I will show you. This file you must be having. We have seen long back. Krit Pratyas are added generally in the sense of Karta. Among the Krit Pratyas, Kritya Pratyas are those which are added in the sense of Bhava and Karma. These are the.
This we have.
This is what I say.
Yeah.
Without Sutram in the beginning, we say it's a long file. Another one is there with the Sutra Sagitam. Here also Sutram is there. What else is there? We have seen this. This is what Kritya is. Okay. Anyway, coming back here. So this.
G, can you send this after the class? Krityaha.
This one. This one.
Krityaha. Krityaha.
Oh, that's what I showed now. That's one. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Then Sutra Sagitam, this, but I'm not sure whether we see this. I prepared. Maybe we will see when we see Ashtadhyaya Pravesha, Krityaha. All this. This also we must have seen. I'm not sure.
No.
Achoyate, etc. So this is with Sutram. This is also. Okay. All with the Sutram been done. I don't know for which class I did for you. I mean, I don't know. No other class I have done other than you. Maybe in the Gurukulam I would have done for some people. I'm not sure. Long back. Anyway, I'll send you that.
Yes, thank you.
Then coming back now. So Kritya. So Krityanam Prayoge Kartago Shashti Va Bhavati. Okay. So they're all important point because Maya Pataniyam, Mama Pataniyam is fine. Because what is Sadhu Prayoga, what is Asadhu Prayoga? Here Shashti Bhakti is Nitya for when Apratyaya. So we cannot say Chatraha Shlokasya Jignasa. That's wrong. Chatrasya Shlokasya when Apratyaya is there. Important. And Ube Prapto Karmani. Then Karta also can take, Shashti, Vikalpena, one by the Vartika. So these points to be noted. Now Karma Karakam. Before that, here he says, I think this also in the last class we were reading this from the Samskrita Bharati book. Anabhigite, I think we saw in the last class. We read this.
This we have
Support
seen.
of this Ashtadhyayi Pravesha. Yesha Upasamharaha from Anabhigita Adhikara Mulakaha Eva Prayogaha Trida Bhavati. What are those Anabhigita Adhikara Mulakaha? One is Kartari, other one is Karmani, other one is Bhave Prayogaha. Kartravachyaha, Karmavachyaha, Bhavavachaiti, Chaiti Prayogaha Trida Bhavati. Kartari Prayaha, Karmani Prayaha, Bhave Prayaha. By what sutra? Remember. Laha Karmani Cha Bhave Cha Karma Kebhyaha, that sutram. By Ting Pratyaya or Krit Pratyaya, when Kartrate Prayujyate, then that is Ting Pratyayana Atava Krit Pratyayana Yada Karta Bodhyate, then that Prayoga is Kartari Prayoga. Right? When Ting Pratyaya or Krit Pratyaya Karma Bodhayati, then that Prayoga is Karmani Prayoga. Karma Bhave Bhave Prayoga. Right? Then Kartari Prayoga. Yadi Ting Pratyayana Krit Pratyaya Karta Abhigitaha Bhavati. तदा कर्तृभूतात् प्रातिपदिकात् परा कर्तृकर्मणयोः तृतीया इति सूत्रेण तृतीया विभक्तिः न प्रवर्तते। तदा कर्तरि प्रयोगस्य संभवः। Already this is what we saw. We cannot use kartakarmani tritiya pratipadikarte pratama. That is, karta is abhigita, abhigitatvat, abhigita kartari pratama. Same only. Sudaha tandulam pachati. Who is a karta? Sudaha. Sudaha tandulam pakvavan. Not paktavan, okay. Pakvavan. We have got sutra. What sutra? By that you get va. It's also we sta pratyaya. We saw pachdatu. Pacho vaha, one sutram is that. Heat to section. You know this story also, I think you must be knowing the story.
You told once.
What is the story, remember?
No, he was using some wrong this thing. Instead of Pakvavan.
Pakvavan is correct, not Paktavan. Huh? If we say Paktavan means we have not yet become Pakva. One story is, that is, no, Adishesha.
Yeah.
Adishesha was teaching, no, he was, he knows grammar very well. Some students want to learn grammar from him. They approached Adishesha, but you cannot face Adishesha because he will be fuming fires through his mouth. So therefore, there was a screen between Adishesha and the students. So they cannot see. If they see, then they will become Basma, right? So Adishesha, he agreed to teach. And the condition is, when he teach, no one should leave the class. No one should leave the class halfway. That's a condition. So from behind the screen, Adishesha was teaching. Then one student, he wanted to answer nature's call. So he got up and left. And after some time, another student wanted to see who this person behind the curtain. He removed the curtain, and the moment he removed, all the students were burnt to ashes. He was because he was fuming fires. Then Adishesha, he became very sad. All students are gone. That time this student came. Nobody should leave the class. If anybody leaves the class, that person will become a Brahma Rakshasa. So that person was cursed to become a Rakshasa. Then he asked, what is the remedy? He said, you just be in the tree, somewhere in the tree, on the bank of some river. Here the people will go by this way. You catch hold of them and ask this question. Pachdatoho taprate prayoge. What is the rupam? You ask. If they tell the wrong answer, you eat them. But one person will come, he will tell the correct thing. Then you'll get vimochana. But nobody could say pach plus ta means they will say pakta. Then that person will be consumed by the Rakshasa. So he was hanging like that for many years. The Guru, then the Adishesha, he had compassion. So he himself came as a villager. So he was walking by that side. Then this Brahma Rakshasa caught hold of him and asked him, what is the rupam of Pach plus Ta? Then he said, Pakva. Yeah, you are right. Then the Guru revealed himself, oh, it is me alone. I have come to save you. They say this is actually this person he only took avatar as Govinda Bhagavat Pada.
Oh.
Acharya of Shankara Bhagavat Pada. Govinda Bhagavat Pada, they say. Okay. So that is the story.
Who took the avatara? Who took the avatara?
Oh, Govinda Bhagavat Pada, you only. Who took
the student? Student has taken this thing. Avatara?
Not student, the teacher.
The
teacher is Govinda Bhagavat Pada.
Okay.
Adishesha. Govinda Bhagavat Pada considered to be the avatar of Adishesha only.
Okay.
So that's the story began Pakva. Pakva or Pakta. Pachovaha Sutram is important. So Pakvavan, Sudaha Tandulam Pakvavan. So now here in this sentence, Karta is Sudaha. By Ting Pratyaya or Krit Pratyaya, what is denoted? Karta is what is denoted. Laha kartari cha bhave cha akarmakebhyah, by that sutra. Ting pratyaya can denote karta or karma avikshayam bhave. Ting pratyaya. Sakarmaka dhatu. Sorry, sakarmaka dhatu. If it is akarmaka dhatu, then kartari and bhave only possible. So now here in this sentence, pachati and pakavan, by that is samana adhikaran, ting samana adhikaranyam. Sudaha singular, pachati singular. Sudaha pachanti. Sudaha, similarly pakvavantaha it will be. So therefore, ti pratyayena, that's what he said. Ti pratyayena is laha karmani cha bhave. Ti pratyayena, dvitiya vakye tavatu pratyayena cha karta is abhigitaha. That is samana adhikaranam between the karta and the kriya padam. Therefore, we cannot apply karta karmanyos tritiya here. Therefore, ata kartrubhutat sudat na tritiya vakti na bhavati abhigitatvat pratipadikarte pratama. Kartuh abhigitatve api sudarupa pratipadikatasya sadbhavat pratipadikata linga parimana vacharam matre pratama iti sutrena pratama bhavati. This is what we saw. Similarly, karmani prayoga also. Yadi ting pratyayena krit pratyayena va karma abhigitam bhavati. Same example you can take. Sudena andulaha pachyate. Tarki karma bhutat pratipadikaat para dvitiya vibhakti na pravartate vai abhigitatvat. Therefore, anabhigite karmani dvitiya iti sutrena na dvitiya vibhakti na bhavati kintu pratipadikarte pratama. That is abhigite karmani pratama. Sutra not there. That is why pratipadikarte pratama sutra is there. What vibhakti will assign to? That which is abhigita. We don't have any sutram for that. Therefore, we say pratipadikarte pratama. Tada karmani prayogasya. Okay, that's sambhavaha. Then sudena tandulaha pachyate, sudena tandulaha pakvaha. Atra pratama vakye te pratyayena, te iti pratyayena, dvitiya vakye ta pratyayena cha karma abhigitam bhavati. Ataha karma bhutat tandulat na dvitiya vibhaktihi abhigitatvat. Therefore, anabhigite karmani dvitiya. Here abhigitatvat. Then what to do? Pratipadikarte pratama. Karmanaha abhigitatve api tandula rupa pratipadikārtasya. Tandula, which is a pratipadikam, in conveying meaning of that, sadbhavat pratipadikata linga parimana vacharamatra iti sutrena pratama vibhaktihi. That's what I said. Abhigite pratama is equal to pratipadikarte pratama. Both are same alone. We don't have sutra abhigite pratama. We have the sutra pratipadikarte pratama. Bhave prayoga. Now here, bhave prayoga, when it will come, it can come for sakarmaka dhatu as well as akarmaka dhatu. Karma vikshayam sakarma dhatu akarmaka bhavati. Of course, akarmaka dhatu, we don't have karmani prayoga, only bhave prayoga. It just only the conveys the action. Bhave, vyaparaha, dhatu. Yadi ting pratyayena, krit pratyayena va bhavaha, that is the meaning of the very dhatu. Vyaparaha abhigitaha. That is what we say, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. That Jnanam is Lakshana. Lakshana meaning it is just convey the very meaning of the Dhatu Jnapti Swarupaha Atma Visa. Jnanam is not the Kriya of the Atma. It is a Swarupa. That's why we translate as consciousness. And Swamiji uses the word knowledge. Knowledge not in the sense of knowing, gaining knowledge. It is consciousness, Chaitanyam. Just bhava. Dhatu-artaha, vyaparaha, abhigitaha. There is no vyapara. That is why we use the word consciousness. And knowledge is another word we can use. Nipti swarupaha iti. And jnanam also, bhave lyut pratyaya. Okay, then dhatu-artaha, vyaparaha, abhigitaha bhavati, natu karta. Therefore, tada kartrubhutat pratipadikāt कर्तृकर्मणि तृतीया इति सूत्रेण तृतीया प्रवर्तते एव यतः कर्ता अनभिगितः अत्र एवञ्च भावे प्रयोगस्य संभवः बालेन अस्यते अस् धातु इस् अकर्मक धातु what is अकर्मक धातु we know when phala and vyapara have the same saman adhikaranam then it's called अकर्मक धातु or balena hasitam only asitam asyate, pure bhava, the action is what is denoted. Therefore, pratama vakye te pratyayena, te iti pratyayena, ting pratyayena. द्वितीय वाक्य था इति प्रत्ययेन भावः अभिहितः व्यापारः अभिहितः धात्वर्थः. Pure meaning of the dhatu alone is what conveyed. Karta tu kenapi na abhigitah. When karta is not abhigita, anabhigite kartar karmnyo tritiya. By that sutra tritiya vyakti bhavati. Then vivaktayah, this we know. Then vivaktihi. Vivaktinam pravruto karakam pradhanyam avahati. In applying the vivakti, what plays an important role? Karaka. Karaka sanyam puraskirte ya vivakti pravartate tasya sanya karaka vivaktihi. Like the gramam gacchati. Atra dvitiya karaka karmakaraka sanyam puraskirtya pravritta. Second case has come in keeping with the karaka. Karma is the grama is the karmakaraka, therefore second case. This is what karaka vivakti is. Then we have to see upapada vivakti, already we have seen. But anyway, we'll see the sutras here. Yatra karakattvasya na prasaktihi tatra pariganitanam keshanchana padanam. Some padas which are enumerated. Okay, pariganita enumerated. Keshanchana padatanam arte yoge api. See, padanam prayoge artena. Artena yogaga api yogaha api vibhaktehe pravutto nimittam bhavati. Tatra pariganitanam keshanchanam padanam artena need not be physically present, but the meaning is understood. Then yoge, not yogaha api. It must be yoge api think. Keshanchana padanam artena yoge api vibhaktehe pravutto or yogaha api. Okay, yogaha api vibhaktehe pravutto nimittam bhavati. Yata arimmina sukam nasti vina, where the word is used. Atra vina iti asya artena yuktaha arihi. Vina iti asya artena yogat eva arishabda dvitiya pravritta. Ataha yesha upapada vibhakti iti uchyate. Because of the word vina, ari is governed in dvitiya vibhakti, therefore upapada vibhakti. Pratamayaha pravritto nimittam pratipadikaartaha sambodhanascha. These two pratipadikaartaha pratama vibhakti. Pratamayaha pravritto, what is the nimitta? Pratikarte pratama, then sambodhana also. Sambodhana pratama. Yata uchchaihi griham. That griham is pratipadikaarta. He Rama, sambodhana. Swaswami bhavadi sambandha api vivakti pravritto nimittaha. Swaswami sambandha. Master servant. Swami bhavadi, the relationship between the two. There also vivakti pravritto nimittam bhavati. Like Rajyaha Purushaha. Swami Bhavadi Sambandha api Vivakti Pravritto Nimittam Bhavati. Then there is a relationship between. So Rajyaha is Shashti Bhakti. There is Sambandha. This is not a Karaka. Rajyaha is Rajan will take Shashti Bhakti. Atra Rajapada Shashti Shruyate. Sa Shashti Swaswami Bhava Sambandham Puraskritya Pravritta Bhavati. That's what we say Sambandha Shashti. The Shashti what we saw just now, that is Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. That's why we say Shashti Bhakti. First we say the Shashti Bhakti is not a Karaka at all. Then now we say Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Now here it is again Sambandha Shashti, not a Karaka Shashti. Swaswami Sambandha api Vivakti Pravritto Nimittam Bhavati. So Swaswami, the relationship also becomes the reason, the cause for assigning Vibhakti. Like Sambandha, Rajyaha Purushaha Dashratasya Putraha, etc. So therefore Sambandham Puraskritya api Vibhaktihi Pravritta Bhavati. Therefore Ataha Rajyaha Purushaha asmin udahane Rajyaha ti Rajan Shabdasya Shashti Vibhaktihi Atra Sambandha asti Swaswami Sambandha. Tam Puraskritya Sambandham Puraskritya Ya Vibhaktihi Pravritta Bhavati Atra Shashti Vibhaktihi iti. Then Karaka Vibhaktayaha. द्वितीया तृतीया चतुर्थी पंचमी सप्तमी च इति पंच भवन्ति. It doesn't count pratama because pratipadikarte pratama will come. Why it says dvitiya tritiya? Because anabhigit vivakti is saying anabhigite adhikara is there. So anabhigite karmani dvitiya, anabhigite karane tritiya, anabhigite sampradane chaturthi, anabhigite apadane panchami, anabhigite adhikarane saptami. Then anabhigite kartari, that will be tritiya again. That's why it says karaka vivaktaha panchami. We are saying karaka vivakti, not karaka. Please note, don't get confused with that. Karaka is 6 karakas, but karaka vivakti only 5. Then what is missing? Pratama. That is pratipadika arte pratama abhigite, right? That is why anabhigita is very important. If it is abhigita, then it will be pratama. Whatever it is, abhigita. Pratipadika arte pratama. So vivakti, the perspective of karaka only 5. Karakams are 6. Karaka vivakti are only 5. Tridyoge kartari karmani. That also. Tridyoge kartari karmani cha pravartamana. Natu sambandham puraskriti pravartamana. Shashti. That Shashti is also Karaka Shashti. That he has not said, but because there are exception, generally it's Shashti Bhakti, Sambandha Shashti. That is why he has not said that. Shashti api shlokasya patanam ityadu Karaka Bhakti eva. But generally, we say Shashti is Sambandha Shashti. We don't consider as Karaka Bhakti. But we have exception, Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. So then in that case, we can say Karaka Bhakti is 6 also. But only in this Kridyoge, only that Shashti. That is why it is not included. Okay. Tritiya Vibhakti Kartai Karane cha pravartate. Yes. So Tritiya Vibhakti in Kartari Karani, Kartari Karani is Tritiya. Therefore, Karakani Ataha Shat Karakani Karaka Vibhakteha Panchayeva iti Katam Gachate iti Shankaya na avasaraha. There is no chance to doubt. Karakas are 6. Shashti Vibhakti is not a Karaka. And Karaka Vibhaktis are only 5. Same Shashti is not considered here. Pratama is also ruled out. Because Abhigite Pratama. Anabhigite only Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami and Saptami. Then Upapada Vibhaktayaha api Taha eva Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Saptami cha iti Pancha bhavanti. Upapada Vibhakti also. Yata Krishnam Abhigitaha Gavaha Akshna Kanaha Yenanga Vikaraha by that Sutra. Sarvebhyah Swasti, this also we saw when Swasti etc. Swada etc. are used, then it will take what Vibhakti Chaturthi. Krishna Tanyaha Param, when there is comparison. Krishna Tanya, in fact, Anya Shabda. Okay. That also will govern Panchami. Matari Sadhuvavati Saptami. Upapada Vibhakti. Matari Sadhuvavati, how it is Upapada? Do you remember that sutra? I think we have seen the same example. Matari Sadhuvavati, Pitari Sadhuvavati, something, the same example. Do you remember the sutra? Upapada Vibhakti. You have our table. Please see the table. Under Saptami Vibhakti, you will see. Same example, I think, we have done. Saptami Vibhakti, we have seen 3 types of Adharaha. Upashteshika, Abhivyapaka, etc. Then under that alone, we saw this. Sadva Asad Prayogecha Saptami Vaktavya. Do you see that? You have the table, you see. Covered.
Yes.
The table always seen only before.
123.
123.
Matari Sadhu.
Okay. Okay.
The moves that you have given.
I think this example is repeated twice, no?
Mahatari Sadhuhu 124 level.
124.
Sadhu
Yeah, Sadhu Nipuna Vyam. Yes.
Archayam Saptamya Pratehe.
That example is in 123. Yes,
124. No, 123, where is the example? 124 only is there. When the meaning of respectful attitude is intended, the words in association with sadhu and nipuna, in that sense, will take seventh case when the word prati is not used. Right? 114 also is there. Just now I saw 114.
Yeah,
That's what I was,
114 is also there.
that's what Sutra I
The
said
word
now, I think.
sadhu.
Yeah. The word sadhu and
That's what we
asadhu
can.
governs the locative of that towards whom goodness or otherwise shown. This is the one. Matari sadhu. Sadhu. This is by Vartika. 114. Okay. So that's what he said. Matari sadhu. I remember we saw this. Okay. Whenever you get time, go through this table. Summary is there. Then karma pravachaniyaha. Karma pravachana is not a big thing. It's just a big name. It's a sanya given to Nipata. Karma pravachana iti kachit sanya. Then karma pravachana yuktiya also dvitiya and all will come. We saw. Sa sanya api dvitiyayaha panchamyaha saptamyaha cha pravruto nimittam bhavati. That becomes a nimitta for dvitiya, panchami and saptami. Like example. Yata vriksham prati vidyotate vidyutate. Same example I think we saw. A Himalayat. Maryada abhipurvaka. Maryada abhividhi, sorry. Abhividhi. Adi Bhuvi Ramaha. All this. Sa sanya api, that is karma pravachane sanya api, for dvitiyayaha panchamyaha saptamyaha cha pravruttau nimittam bhavati. Karma pravachane becomes the nimitta for the usage of dvitiya, panchami and saptami bhavati. Paninehe ayam kramaha. This order, what is the order? Adu apadanadikaraka sanyam vidatte dhruvam apaya apadanam, that is first sutra under karake starts, right? 1424. इत्यादीना सूत्रेण प्रथम अध्याये चतुर्थपादे फर्स्ट चैप्टर फोर्थ सेक्शन ततः विभक्तिं विधत्ते विधत्ते धापूर्वक धा धातु ढुधां धातु आत्मनेपदी यूसेस विधत्ते कर्मणि द्वितीया इत्यादीना सूत्रेण द्वितीयाध्याये तृतीयपादे तत्रैव उपपद विभक्तिं षष्ठी विभक्तिं च विधत्ते वेर इन सूत्री प्रथमा विभक्तिं प्रातिपदिकार्थं पुरस्कृत्य विदत्ते. That is प्रातिपदिकार्थे प्रथमा. याम एतां प्रथमां षष्ठी शेषे इति सूत्रात् प्राक् आह. That is there below, before the sutra, षष्ठी शेषे, the प्रातिपदिकार्थ. एवञ्च आदौ कारकं निश्चेतव्यं. First we have to determine what कारक. Then विभक्तिः विधेया इति एषः क्रमः कारक विभक्तौ इति ज्ञेयम्. After that we have to assign vibhakti accordingly. तथा च विभक्तेः प्रवृत्तौ एतानि निमित्तानि. These are the nimittas for the vibhakti. विभक्तेः प्रवृत्तौ. In assigning the vibhakti, these are the nimitta. Number one, karakam is the nimitta. Second one, padartha prayogaha. Usage, the word which is used, the meaning of it. Padasya arthaha padarthaha yogaha is prayogaha. Padartha prayogaha. Then pradipadika then saswami bhavadi sambandhaha shashti, that is. Then karma. I think this is what in my notes also, I think. I copied from this only. My one notes is there. Long back, that also must be having karaka notes, long notes. But not it complete. This is what I think the beginning of the notes, I think I mentioned. All these 5 points. I'll show you. That notes also you must be having. This is long back prepared, not newly prepared. This, the one I was talking about. I have not done after that. Here, I think they have mentioned all these points. Yeah, here it is. Karaka is the first nimitta. Different nimittas for the use of vibhakti is to bring out different vibhakti artha as follows. Number one, karaka. Second, padartha prayoga upapadam. The case is governed by another word in proximity. Then pratipadika artha, in expressing the meaning of the word, gender, number, etc. Then swaswami bhavadi sambandha, the relationship between nouns indicated by shashti vibhakti. Then karma pravachaniya. 5 points. Karaka, vibhakti pravruto, etani mittani. The same thing is given. In fact, this is what I think I copied, translated. Okay. Then Pratama Vibhaktihi. Pratama Vibhaktihi. Yes. What are we saying now here? Okay. Pratama Vibhaktihi. Pratama Vibhakti we will see. Now from here we will read. Pratama Vibhakti is the topic. Then here. Karma Karakam is. So Karta Karaka is in. Karta can be in either Pratama, Tritiya, Shashti. Then Karma Karaka he says. Let us see Karma Karaka. Karmanaha Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati. Pratipadikarte Pratama. Then what Vibhakti possible for Karma Karaka? Dvitiya. Annabhite Karmani Dvitiya. Tadyata Pachakaha Vodanam Pashati. Pachakena Vodanaha Pachyate. Pratama Vakye Karta Think Pratyaya Kartarate Vartate. By Think Pratyaya Karta is what is denoted. So Pratipadikarte Pratama. Ataha Karta Abhigitaha Karma Anabhigitam. Anabhigita Karmani Dvitiya. Therefore Dvitiya Vakye Karma Abhigitam. Karmanaha Anabhigitatvat. Pratipadikarte Pratama. This we know. Then Shashti is already we saw. Keshanchit Kradantanam Yoge. Anabhigite Tari Karmani Shashti Vibhakti Bhavati. Iti Purva Muktameva. Then Chaturthi. That is important. Gatyarthakanam dhatunam prayoge karmanaha vikalpena chaturthi vibhakti bhavati. By what sutra? Gatyartha karmani dvitiya chaturthyo cha cheshtaya anadvani. Have you seen the sutra? 2.3.12. Pakshe dvitiya. I am not sure whether we see this 2.3.12 in our table. You can check
It's not
later.
there.
Huh?
It's not there, I think. We have not seen it.
You have not added this. Just if you have table plus C. If you have not added, then I may add it. Then let me know.
We'll check. Yeah.
That is karma taking Chaturthi Bhakti. Karma taking Chaturthi. By the sutra, 1,
Gatyartha Karmani.
2, 3. Yeah.
2, 3, 12.
2, 3, 12. Okay. 2, 3, 12. Or if not here, maybe later, in some other context that it could be also possible. I would have in under Chaturthi also possibly it would have been there. Just check it. If not there, let me know. I will add.
It's there, G. 80th point.
Yeah, number 80.
Yeah.
Under Chaturthi, I think must be
Under
there.
Chaturthi is there.
Yes. Not in Dvitiya, under Chaturthi. Yes. Karma
Yes,
taking
yes,
Chaturthi
yes.
Bhakti. Number? What's
80.
the number?
80.
Okay. If this table is known thoroughly, I think everything fine. Gatyartha Karmani Dvitiya Chaturthi Cheshtaya Manadvani. The object of dhatus implying motion, that is the place to which the motion is directed. If the object do not express a road, then it's put in the accusative or dative when actual motion is meant. Gram or gramayava gacchati. When there is no actual motion, then you have to use only gramam. Actual motion is, and the object also should not represent the path. Manasa harim rajati, manasa pataliputram rajati. Right? Then pantanam advanam gacchati. It goes this way. Fine. Here you can see dative gramam gramaya gacchati. This is the example. Gacchati. Gramam gramaya gacchati. The object of dhatus, gam dhatu, object is grama, implying motion, the place to which the motion is directed. If the object do not express a road, like pantanam is a road, then we cannot use Chaturthi. Pantanam gacchati, you have to say. Similarly, vrajati. When there is no actual motion, then we have to use what? Here actual motion is there. No. There's a counter examples, all these are. Manasa only vrajati. Manasa only arim vrajati. Right? There is no actual motion. Therefore, Dvitiya Vibhakti is used for karma. Karmatic Dvitiya. But here what happened? Karma can be in Chaturthi also, because actual, here there is actual motion, and also the karma doesn't denote, that doesn't express the path or road. Therefore, this is also Upapada Vibhakti. It is there. Okay. That's what he says here. Gatyartha karmani dvitiya chaturthyo cheshtayam anadvani. When there is cheshta, gatyartha karmani, and anadvani doesn't represent, express the path or road. Pakshe dvitiya. Like balakaha gramam gramaya gacchati. So karma can be in all these vibhakti possible. One is pratama, other one is dvitiya, then shashti and chaturthi also. It's good to remember like this also. Simha aranyam aranyaya yati. Gatyartha dhatu is there, and karma is aranyam. Does it represent the path? No. Therefore, you can say aranyaya yati also valid. Aranyam yati. Anavigde karmani dvitiya, or by this sutra we can. Chaturthi also possible. Balakaha vidyalayaya gacchati. Nothing wrong, it's correct only. Understand? Karanakaraka tritiya vibhakti, tatra karmanyo tritiya, sampradana chaturthi sampradane, apadana panchami iti vyavastha. Adhikaranakaraka saptami vibhakti, saptami adhikarane cha, Bhajan Sutra. Adi upasarga purvakasya vastataho sadhataho priyage, adhikaranasya, dvitiya vibhakti bhavati already we saw. Udaharanani purvamuktani eva. Now, yekena vakyam uttaram likhata. Please answer. Kim nama karakam? Having seen karaka so many, the classes and other files, documents, everything you have. What is a karaka? Triyanvayi karakam. Karakani kati. Tani kani.
Shat karakani.
Karakani shat. Tani kani karma karna, etc. We know. Dhatoho artadvayam kim? What two things are expressed by dhatu? Dhatoha artadvayam kim? One is vyapara. Other one is?
Karma.
No.
Phala vyapara.
Yes. Palam. Vyapara and palam. Action and the result. Karaka vibhakti nama ka. What is a karaka vibhakti? What is a karaka vibhakti?
Vibhakti assigned to karaka.
Vibhakti assigned to? Vibhakti assigned to?
Karaka.
What? Say it in Sanskritam. Aha. Karakam anusritya ya vibhaktihi pravartate sa vibhaktihi karaka vibhaktihi. You can say like that, right?
Yeah.
Kartaram anusritya ya vibhakti bhavati sa vibhakti kartra vibhaktihi kartra karakam, right? Karakam anusritya ya vibhaktihi pravartate sa karaka vibhaktihi. Simple, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's what that's simple. If otherwise, it will be Upapada Vibhakti. What else? Karakam Anusritya, for example, if you say, Ya Vibhakti Pravartate, negative. Sa Vibhakti, Upapada Vibhakti. I think just now we saw here, he said no. Where is that? Just now here.
Upapada.
Yeah. Vibhakti na Karaka Sanyam Puraskritya. You see, Ya Vibhakti Pravartate, Sa Karaka Vibhakti. Simple. Can say. Kartari prayoge kartuhu karmanaha cha ka vibhakti bhavati. Tell me. You know simple.
Kartuhu pratama karmani
Karmanaha dvitiya. By what sutram? Kartuhu pratama. Pratipadikarte pratama. Simple. You can say if you know the full sutra, Pratipadikate Linga Parimana Vachane Matra Pratama. Karmanaha Dvitiya is by? No. Not Kartukaranya. Karma is Dvitiya, right?
Karma.
Anabhigite Karmani Dvitiya. What else? Not Kartukaranya Tritiya. Kartari Priyaga it is. In Kartari Priyaga, Karta is Pratama, Karma in Dvitiya. Karta in Pratama by the Sutra, Pratipadikarte Pratama. Karma in Dvitiya by Anabhigite Karmani Dvitiya. 2, 3, 2. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
How it will be Kartukaranya Tritiya? Where is Tritiya? We are talking about Kartari Priyaga. Okay, not Karmani. Understand?
Okay.
Abhigite Karmani ka vibhakti. Simple. Pratama. By what sutra? Pratipadikarte Pratama.
Pratipadikarte.
Pratipadikartaha ke. Yeah. What is Pratipadikartaha?
Pratama.
Pratipadikartaha ke.
Oh, that
Jati,
Yeah.
Linga,
Yes.
Parimana,
One more.
Vachana.
Yes.
Parimana.
All those things you have to say. Pratipadikarta is that Linga, Parimana, Vachana, and the very. Yes. All those things you can say. Pratipadikartaha. Kridyohe anabhigite karmani ka vibhakti. Okay, this is interesting. Tell me.
Yogi is
Anabhigite karmani. Yeah. Shashti vibhakti.
Shashti.
Yes. Maheshena pustakam patati iti vakyam kimartam asadu. Very good. Answer. Is it sadhu or asadu?
Maheshah pustakam patati.
Or Maheshena pustakam pathyate.
Patyate.
Patyate.
Gatyarthakanam dhatunam prayoge karmanah ka vibhakteha bhavanti. Just now we saw. Anadvani. Then
Chaturthi.
or Dvitiya. Dvitiya or Chaturthi.
Dvitiya.
Sutra. Eteshu vakyeshu kartuhu yogyam vibhaktim prayojayata. Krit pratyasya artaha tatraiva likitaha asti. Dash balaha is there. Bhave gramasya gamanam. You tell what answer and what sutra. Gramasya gamanam.
Balasya gramasya gamanam.
Or
Balasya, or we can say Balena also.
yeah, Balena also.
Just one we saw, right? Tritiya or Panchami or Shashti can come optionally, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Balena va balasya gramasya gamanam. Then Jalam praptavan. Umeshaha is there. Good, because Shashti will not come here. Understand? Why? Only for Bhave, that those Pratyaya and Apratyaya. Don't say Umeshasya Jalam Pratavan, that's wrong. Then Kandukam Kshiptavati, Kartari, Balika.
Balika only.
Balika only, not Balika Yaga. That's important. Pratipadikarte Pratama only. That sutra alone should be applied. Uma Vastuni Kritani Karmani. Krita is
Umaya.
here also, you cannot use Umayaha. That's important. Then Akaryam Krutam Karmani. Aham.
So Maya.
Can you use Mama? Yes or no?
Mama Karyam Krutam also can be used.
Can be used. My work was done.
Mama Karyam Krutam. My work done. Maya Karyam Krutam. But Kridyoge Shashti. There it says only for Bhave Artha Ye Pratyaha Vartante Krit Pratyaya and Apratyaya. Right? There only we have Shashti or Tritiya. But here Kridatu, Ta Pratyaya is used. Therefore we cannot use Mama. But Mama, not by Kridyoge Shashti, that's Sambandha Shashti. Don't confuse with that. Okay. Yeah. What you are saying, Mama will come is Sambandha Shashti. That is different. But will it come by Krityogi Shashti? No. Understand?
Okay.
Mama Karyakritam Vakyam is valid. Where Mama is, Mama and Karya, they are Samsaswami, that's Sambandha Shashti.
Yeah.
But not Krityogi Shashti. Understand?
Yes.
Because this Vakya seems to be valid, therefore Mama also will think we correct only. But what Shashti you have to say it? Is it Krityogi Shashti, Karmani Shashti, sorry, Kartari Shashti or Sambandha Shashti? Now we are talking about here Krityogi Shashti. That is the topic. Kartuhu Yogyam Vivaktim and Krit Pratyasya Arthaha is given. Therefore, here we cannot take Sambandha Shashti. Therefore, we have to say only Maya only, that is correct in this context. Understand?
Yes.
Amakare Krutam, that Sambandha Shashti, that's Vakya is valid. That's different. Next one. Pustakasya Patanam Bhave. Ramesha is a Karta. What will happen here?
Rameshasya
Or Ramesh.
Yeah. You can say Pustaka Krityoge Shashti Ubaya Pravta Karmani, that is optional, and you can say Rameshena also is valid.
Rameshena also.
Yes. Then Abaranani Kritavati Kartari and Lata is
Lata only.
Lata only.
Lata only.
Latayaha ruled out. Devaleha Drashtaha Karmani Harisha.
Ramesh.
Oh,
Not
Harishena.
Harishena
Harishe.
only. Yes. Harishasya. Can it be Harishasya?
No.
No. Shirastranasya Dharanam.
Sainikena.
Sainika.
Bhave.
Sainikasya or
Sainikena.
Sainikena. Both are possible, right? Krityoge Shashti. Kartari can be Shashti optionally, and if not, Tritiya Vyakti can be used. Then Jalasya Panam Pipasuhu.
Pipasuna.
Pipaso.
Tritiya
Like
Vibhakti.
Guru Shabda.
Jalasya Panam, Jala is
Shashti.
Karmani Shashti. What about Pipasu is?
Sant.
Pipasuna.
Pipasu is a Karta. So therefore we can have Tritiya or Shashti.
Shashti.
Pipasoho or Pipasuna. You can say, right? Okay. Jalasya Pipasa. This is interesting. Jalasya Pipasa. Here, Bhave Apratyaya is used.
Ramaya Jalasya Pipasa. Ramayaha Jalasya Pipasa also we can.
No optional.
Apratyaya.
No.
Kartu Shashti Eva Bhavati. We cannot.
Okay.
That's what we saw before, right?
Shamyatamji.
Ramayaha
Only
Jalasya
Rama.
Pipasa. Where is that? Antima Udane Apratyaya Yoga Nityam Shashti Bhavati. But the Vartika, this is.
Na
That's the Vartika.
vikalpate.
Stri Pratyayogo Akakarayogo na ayam niyamaha. Okay. Please note.
These
Therefore,
are
Shakti
special.
only will come. Ramayaha Jalasya Pipasa. Not Ramaya. Uttarasya Vivaksha.
Okay.
Here also Apratyaya.
Apratyaya
Chatrasya.
Chatrasya.
Chatrasya Uttarasya. Not Chatrena. Next one. Karyam Arabdhavan. Tavatu Pratyaya. Simple.
So Krishaka.
Krishakaha only. Cannot, because Krit Pratyaya is that cannot, Shashti cannot be. Why? Because it's only for Bhave, Arte, Ye Pratyaya, Vartate, then the Apratyaya only. Okay, not for this. Otherwise, problem. Tavatu is that, then Krishakaha, something like that, the Ting Pratyaya, Patati is that, then put the Karta in Tritiya. Meaningless. I mean, Karta in Shashti. Similarly, Chitrasya Didruksha, Drashtum Icha. Desire to see.
Akara. So,
Balakasya.
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 13th one we left, Jaydev.
Yeah, we left at the
13, huh?
Tandulasya.
Tandulasya Pachanam. Okay. There it will be.
Pachakasya.
Pajakasya, Tandulasya, or Pachakena.
Yes. Shall we do it to complete this up to here? Okay. Another one is also simple only. एतेषु वाक्येषु कर्मणः योग्यां विभक्तिं योजयत कृत् प्रत्ययस्य अर्थः तत्रैव लिखितः अस्ति. Please do it quickly. महेशः dash कथा कथयिता.
महेशेन
महेशः
याः
No. I think you don't have to change
no
it to
it's
कर्मणि प्रयोगः.
कर्तरि
कर्मणः
कर्तरि only
योग्यां
no
विभक्तिं योजयत. Appropriate vibhakti you add to karma. Okay.
ओके
कृत् प्रत्यय is given
कथां
within the bracket. तत्र लिखितः अस्ति. महेशः
कथां
कथां कथयिता.
कथयि
That's all. What's the big thing? तथा प्रत्यय, right? महेशः
yeah
कथां कथयिता.
इट्स
कर्तरि
तृच
कथां.
प्रत्यय कथयिता कथयितृ
Yeah,
becomes कथयिता ओके
yeah, sorry. कथयिता is तृच प्रत्यय. Sorry, क्षम्यतां. Yes. So महेशः तृच
कथां
योगे.
कथयिता
Not कथां. कथायाः कथयिता you have to say.
याः
ओके ओके
Because तृच,
हाँ
right?
ओके ओके जी
oh okay
Gee, I don't understand.
See, एतेषु वाक्येषु कर्मणः कर्मा is there.
ओके
योग्यां विभक्तिं add appropriate vibhakti to the karma which is given in bracket. कृत्
ओके
प्रत्ययस्य अर्थः लिखितः तत्र एव लिखितः अस्ति. कृत् प्रत्यय is given. अर्थः
हाँ
within given bracket. कर्तरि तृच प्रत्यय is used. कथयिता is not ta pratyaya, it is तृच
Which,
प्रत्यय. Why I am saying not ta pratyaya? Because Mageshah pullinga cannot be katayita.
हाँ
It should be katayitaha otherwise. And katayitaha also not correct. Katayitavan should be.
या
Or Mageshena if it is. You understand? So katayita must be trich pratyaya. Now trich is what? Krit pratyaya. Krit yoge kartru karmanoho chashti. Ubaya prapto karmani shashti bhavati. Therefore karma is
या
kata. Katayaha katayita. Katayaha.
but trich will be used with the verb chief.
Trich will be.
Will it be used
What
with,
else?
as a, like a verb you no it will be
क्रियापद
like
we can
noun.
अध्याहार
they will
भवति we can add no अध्याहार we can do महेशः
No.
कथायाः कथयिता भवति
Katayaha katayita Mageshah. What's the problem?
Okay
You put Mageshah in the beginning, therefore confusion. Katayaha katayita Mageshah.
yeah
The story, the
okay
teller is
oh
Magesha. What's the problem? Shmati ji,
mm.
right?
yes ji.
yes
I understand. You are holding the katayita as a kriya pada. I think as a verbal and then you are stuck there. No. Katayaha
Yeah
katayita Mageshah. No problem. Swap this. I mean, rearrange the sentence in your mind. I think we'll stop here. I have got today is Amavasa. I do Tarpanam and then go to the class. We'll do it in
yeah
the next class
yes ji.
in detail.
okay
Oh
Stop
yes
here.
okay
okay.
yeah
Please go through this. It's very interesting. You will have very good knowledge of Karaka. Spend
yes
some time. We'll stop here.
yes
Om Purnamadah Purnamitam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Please remind me, next class we have to start from here.
yes
yes ji.
Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद शरण जी
जी नाளைக்கு இல்லையா அமாவாஸ்யை கேலண்டர்ல tomorrow they have given
இன்னைக்கு today is Amavasya
yeah, today is
Netiki Shivaratri. Yesterday was Shivaratri. Today is Amavasya. நாளைக்கு
Amavasya
போட்டுக்கோ.
yeah
okay
Are you sure?
இன்னைக்கு is
our calendar
yes
Karnataka
ji,
maybe
today
there
is Amavasya.
Today is Amavasya.
okay
yeah
அப்புறம் அபிராமம் பற்ற மாதிரி எடுத்ததா பண்ண வேண்டியதா போடும். அபிராம டாக்டர் பௌர்ணமி அமாவாசை கேட்டா இன்னைக்கு தான் பௌர்ணமின்றார். அது மாதிரி
tomorrow up to 8:30 only Amavasya is there so
up to
today
8:30 in the morning.
morning
அப்ப இன்னைக்கு அமாவாசை. The night alone you should consider.
okay
Today
okay.
night is Amavasya. Today is Amavasya.
yes ji okay
You have to consider like that. Yes. So when you Tarpanam, I mean, whoever does Tarpanam, Chaturtyam upari Amavasyayam punyatito, you have to take sankalpa like that.
oh.
Chaturthi and Amavasya both are they're overlapping, right?
Oh, okay. That
Chaturthi
day
and
only we
above
have
that
to try.
Amavasya is the Chaturthyam Upari Amavasyayam Punyatito. You have to say like that.
Oh,
So morning
okay.
may be Chaturthi, Amavasya may be coming in the evening. Say for example,
Up
5
to
o'clock, 6 o'clock it
12:30.
comes. Yeah.
Up to
Then we have
12:15
to
it
we
is
cannot do
there.
Tarpanam in the evening. Tarpanam only in the morning. Then we say
Oh,
Chaturthyam Upari Amavasyayam. Sankalpa we can take like that.
okay, okay, sure.
Okay. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः।
Dhanyavadaji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ.
धन्यवाद.